Welcome back to Ride Geek, your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout, a bike that embodies the spirit of American cruisers with its bold design, powerful engine, and modern technology. Whether you're a seasoned Harley enthusiast or just looking for your next big ride, this review will break down everything you need to know about this chopper-inspired beast. The first thing that catches your eye about the 2025 Breakout is its striking design. Harley-Davidson has mastered the art of blending classic chopper aesthetics with modern refinement, and this bike is no exception. Its long and low stance, aggressive rake, and stretched profile give it a commanding presence on the road. The 34-degree rake and 240mm rear tire not only enhance the bike's visual appeal but also add to its stability and handling. The fuel tank is sleek and muscular, carrying the iconic Harley-Davidson badge with pride. Available in 5 premium color options, including the stunning factory custom Midnight Firestorm, the Breakout stands out whether parked at a local cafe or roaring down the highway. Underneath its bold exterior, the 2025 Breakout packs serious performance. Powering this machine is the Milwaukee 8-117 custom engine, a 1,923cc twin powerhouse that delivers a thrilling 126 pound-feet of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute and 104 horsepower at 4,800 revolutions per minute. This engine ensures instant throttle response and smooth acceleration, making it an absolute joy to ride on both city streets and open highways. The torque-heavy nature of the Milwaukee 8-117 provides strong low-end power, so whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or overtaking on the freeway, the Breakout has more than enough muscle to get the job done. The performance of the Breakout is further enhanced by its refined suspension setup. Up front, it features a 49mm dual bending valve telescopic fork with aluminum triple clamps, ensuring precise handling and a comfortable ride. The rear suspension consists of a hidden free piston, coilover monoshock with hydraulic preload adjustment, allowing riders to fine-tune their ride for different road conditions. While the Breakout maintains a classic hardtail look, this modern suspension setup ensures that it delivers a smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Harley-Davidson has integrated modern technology into the Breakout without compromising its old-school charm. One of the standout features is its all-LED lighting, which not only enhances visibility at night but also contributes to the bike's sleek, modern look. The 4-inch analog speedometer is seamlessly integrated with a digital display, providing riders with essential information such as ride modes, fuel level, gear position, and more. The hand controls are designed for comfort and easy access, including an adjustable brake lever that allows riders to customize their setup. Additionally, a USB-C charging port ensures that your devices stay powered while on long rides. Safety is always a priority, and the 2025 Breakout is equipped with features that inspire confidence. The bike comes with an advanced ABS braking system that prevents wheel lockup during sudden braking, providing enhanced control. The traction control system further improves stability, especially in slippery or unpredictable road conditions. The braking setup includes a single 300mm front disc brake, which, combined with the massive rear tire, provides solid stopping power. While some riders might prefer dual front discs, the Breakout's braking system is more than capable of handling its performance demands. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout starts at $23,099 for the base model. Customization options are available, with additional costs depending on your chosen color scheme. The vivid black paint option adds $350, while other solid colors cost an additional $525. Premium solid colors are priced at $650, and the special edition custom solid paint comes in at $1,300. A freight charge of $730 also applies, bringing the total cost higher depending on your configuration. While the Breakout sits in the premium price range, it delivers exceptional build quality, performance, and Harley-Davidson's signature craftsmanship, making it a worthy investment for those seeking a top-tier cruiser. When evaluating the overall value of the 2025 Breakout, it's clear that this bike is designed for riders who appreciate a balance of heritage and modern innovation. The combination of its muscular styling, powerful engine, advanced safety features, and refined suspension makes it one of the most exciting Harley-Davidson models of the year. For those who love the chopper aesthetic but want a bike that's as enjoyable to ride as it is to look at, the Breakout is a standout choice. That wraps up our comprehensive review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Breakout. What do you think of this modern chopper? Is it the kind of bike you'd love to own, or are you looking for something different? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Geek for more motorcycle reviews, insights, and riding tips. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.